Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am featuring another quick and easy card with the Hold On to Hope. Again, I'm trying to feature as many sets, so many cards with this set because I think like this one is just perfect for this season. And so this one is actually similar, or will be very similar to the one I did here. It has a little bit more of a steps because I want to do the background with the flowers, and I want to do like a border with the flowers as well. So we'll see how that goes. Again, I just had that idea in my head, and I'll do the stamping first so that if something doesn't go as I wanted it, we can start all over. So anyway, so this piece of, oh, by the way, this is very vanilla, and so this is 2 1/4 by 4, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the So Saffron. I wanted to have a lighter color. I know that the color I'm using is actually, for the cardstock, is actually Daffodil Delight, which is a little bit darker. But I figure it will be a nice enhancement. So anyway, so I'm just going to be picking here, and you can see I am just using like the border. Do you see that? So I'm just doing the border, and we'll see how that goes. And you know what? I probably should have started with the cross just to see if I have enough space. So let's just see. Yeah, I still think I have enough space, you know. So I'm just gonna go with these, and as the last one, I'm just gonna do a lighter shade, and I'm just gonna stamp it right in the center. Okay, let's just, okay, yes, I like it. See that? Can you see it? Yes, I think you can. Now this one will go like so, so it will pop up more. And then for the sentiment, I'm still gonna be using this Hold On to Hope, but I figured this time I want to use I want to say that the crumb cake. You know, I want it to have more of those words. So let's just see how that goes. And I want it right, and this is where having what am I saying? The photopolymer would have been great, just because I could see exactly where it is. But anyway, this will do. Whoa, yes, I like it. So there we go. So I'm just gonna leave it like so for my focal point, as you can see. Yes, I think that it looks good. And then for my background piece, on this one, I will do, I will do more like so, and then I'm just gonna be filling up these areas. There we go. And I feel like this will go better if I go like so. Yes. And like so. And I really feel like I need a little bit more here. Perfect. And a little bit more here. There we go. You know what? Maybe even here. One little one. There we go. What do you think, huh? Yes. So, anyway. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget that anyone placing an order with me, an online order with me, uses this hostess code. During the month of March, we'll get my monthly card kit to make 4 cards, and I'll send either a PDF or a video tutorial to make those 4s. Now, I'll send everything with the card kit except for the stamps. You'll have to provide the stamps, but if you don't have the stamps that I'm using, you can substitute with whatever you have on hand. And also, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. Now, because this is a monthly incentive, I'll be sending the card kit as well as the accessory of the month during the following month. So again, you have to use this hostess code, and you can go into my online order when you go to my blog, creatingwithali.com. There's a shop now button, and it will take you to my online store. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions with that, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So let's just assemble everything now. So the rest of the card, here we go. This one is Berry Vanilla, and it's 5.5 by 8.5. We're gonna fold it in half as usual. And yes, and we're gonna be gluing this with the fast fuse. I love the fast fuse. Honestly, I'm not sure what am I gonna be doing now that they are retiring the fast fuse, because this is by far my favorite glue. Some people are saying that Tombow is also really good. I almost never use liquid adhesive, so I'll have to give it a try and see how that goes. I think I like it that way. So I'm gonna be putting it. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, we'll just have to adapt. Or maybe in the new catalog there might be a new type of adhesive. So who knows? I don't know. We just have to check that out. Alright, and I'm going to be putting this one here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And by the way, the Daffodil Delight on this section was 4 by 5 1/4. Again, the Berry Vanilla was 3 3/4 by 5. This piece is 2.5 by 4 1/4. And the Berry Vanilla, again, is 2 1/4 by 4. I always leave 1/4 of an inch bigger for the larger piece. So, oh yes, I think I like it a lot. So anyway, we're gonna be using dimensionals, of course, because what wouldn't you, right? I mean, I love the dimension. There's something about dimensionals that, I don't know, it just makes me happy. Dimensions. And you know what else? The Wink of Stella. Although I'm not really using Wink of Stella on this project, but I love it too. I think it's weird that I'm not using it here, to be honest. So anyway, so here it is, and here you go. See? I love how it looks, and again, this is very similar to my previous card. You see that? So anyway, I feel like these stamp set, it's so great. There's so many options, and the sentiments are really nice too, so you can see them here. I love this one. God is love. Anyway, so let me know if you have any questions. Again, if you like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, do subscribe to my mailing list. I've sent 5 tutorials to anyone subscribing to my mailing list. And then I'll keep you updated with upcoming classes, upcoming promotions, new news from Stampin' Up! And whatnot. And so you definitely want to be on that email list. So anyway, thank you so much, and see you soon.